Morning, y'all. Welcome back to Luderco Arms. Today on Asking FFL, we're going to talk about the pistol brace rule that's coming up. I've gotten emails, phone calls, text messages, all kinds of communication about this, asking me all sorts of questions. So let me start out by, if you're asking me what I'm going to do, here's the answer. Also, if you're asking me if you should do something outside of what the ATF has laid out for you, here's the answer. Look, I'm an FFL. I'm on YouTube. If I make a video telling you to do what George Washington or Thomas Jefferson would do, then I'm going to get Waco'd. I don't want to get Waco'd. I got a wife, I got children, I got pets. I don't need my house burnt down. So stop asking me stuff like that, because I'm not going to give you the answer you're looking for, the answer you expect from me. So just stop doing it. If you choose to do something other than the 5 ways that the ATF outlined in their perversion of justice with your pistol braced gun, then my suggestion and a lawyer's suggestion would be so the ATF gives you 5 things you can do. You can destroy your gun or turn it into law enforcement. If you choose to do those, please buy yourself a ticket to China or some other communist country and stay there. I don't know what else to say to you. You can put a 16-inch barrel on it, but 16-inch barrels cost money, and why would you do that when you've already bought a perfectly legal product that the ATF said you could have? You can register your gun with the ATF, and in exchange for you becoming a, what's the word I'm looking for, vassal of the state, they'll waive the $200 tax stamp. You can do this if you want to, but as Admiral Akbar would tell you, I think it's a trap, and I don't want any part of it. If I wanted to register guns with the feds, I probably would have done that already. So that leaves you with taking the pistol brace off of the gun. It's probably the most viable option. Take the pistol braces off, put them in a box, take them over to your mom's house and put them in the attic and wait. Because much like the bump stock law, eventually this is going to get thrown out because it's unconstitutional as all hell. But in the meantime, you don't want to, now their rule says you can take the pistol brace off of the pistol, and then you're fine. But I would, if I was you, I would put the pistol braces somewhere else, not in the same house with your pistols. And the reason why is because ATF loves to make up rules and use the constructive intent thing. So, if you want to be safe, just take them off and store them somewhere else. Wait for all of this to go through court, and then you can do what you want to once we know what the verdict's going to be. And they may get an injunction before this rule takes effect, but it's starting to look more and more like this is going to be dragged out longer than that. So take that for what you will. But the whole point of this is, number one, when it comes to stuff like this, and another thing, quit getting on social media and posting about how you're not going to comply. That's called evidence. Don't be stupid. You need to stop giving them what they need to take you out. Okay? Be smart. Think about it. Don't post evidence online of what your intent to break the law. That is as stupid as you can get. Okay? So, other than that, I mean, I don't have good news for you on this. This is, it's a total perversion of justice. It's unconstitutional. But we're just going to have to wait and see what happens. So, y'all try to have a good one. Appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you in the next video.